Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
I know, man, these past few days you've been extremely busy here in the studios, extremely busy over at the office. Everyone is locking in at 5%. Everyone is taking advantage. Everyone is taking the urge, and they're being aggressive of what's taking place right now in the industry where refinancing is concerned. So I know you have a few things, a few pointers that you want to reach out to the tri-state right now. Why to refinance, why lock in. So you can go ahead and spread the word and give out the facts as usual.
I'm all fired up, Sean. This is truly, I've been doing this a long time now. This is the lowest I've seen rates in years. And with the house prices adjusting, it's a great time to buy a house. But if you own a house right now, if you own your own home now, you are in the driver's seat because you can do a cash out refinance and pay off all those credit cards. And with the help of the federal government stepping in just recently, borrowers that I've been working with for the last couple of weeks are amazed at how much money they're keeping in their pockets. Instead of laying it out on the first of the month, they're keeping it. Sometimes it's over $1,000. But lately I've been saving most of the borrowers several $100s a month by paying off those ridiculous credit cards. And they've been real happy walking out of the bank. And it's been great. And they've been telling all their friends how much money they're saving, and their friends call. So we've been real busy, and we expect to be busy throughout the spring. People putting into gear right now their moves for the year and trying to get rid of credit card debt. I mean, if you have credit card issues right now and you own your own home, really, you have to be crazy to hold on to that debt when you can transfer that negative debt into a positive debt and save several $100s a month. You know, these credit card companies, Sean, charge borrowers sometimes 20, 30%. I've seen higher than that. And people don't really take notice of their credit card statements, but if you read the fine print, you'll see how much you're actually paying each month. And that's what happens. When I set up a meeting with somebody, I said, bring in your statements. Let's look at the fine print. Let's investigate how much you're paying each month. Let's see how much these credit cards are hurting you. Mm-hmm. And then when I show them how we're going to pay all of them off, and they're going to have only one payment, and they're going to save X amount of money each and every month, they're very, very happy. Things are tough right now. Utilities are up, bills are up. People are struggling. But one of the things, if you do own your home, and you've had that home for 2, 3, 4 years, you don't need to struggle any longer. And people are finding out about the benefits of refinancing with First Republic and literally saving hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And they're truly, truly amazed at what we can do. And we have a 5% fixed rate mortgage. No games being played. 30-year fixed rate, FHA. And you don't need good credit. That, to me, says it all right there. Plus, if you have good credit, it's conventional loans, no doc loans, stated loans. So we have a lot of different programs for whatever your personal situation is. But you really don't wait, listeners out there. Now is the time to act. The Feds just stepped in and lowered the rate again. We need to capitalize. You need to really take advantage of this one-time opportunity and head straight to First Republic. We can help you. We'll look at it. If it doesn't make sense, we're not going to do the loan. If I can't honestly save you a couple of $100s a month, I'm not going to take the loan. I won't do it. I've been doing this a long time, and I can look at somebody's financial situation and determine right away. But if you can't make it into the bank, we also have 2 great FHA seminars coming up. And one is going to be at the Brooklyn Marriott on Monday, February 11th at 7 p.m., And the next one is going to be Tuesday, February 12th at the Eastwood Manor here in the Bronx. And they're both going to be for helping people save money. FHA Secure Plan, where we're going to, government assistance is available for homeowners and home buyers. So if one of those two locations is more convenient, either the Brooklyn Marriott or the Eastwood Manor, please call the office to schedule yourself in, so we have limited amount of space available. But you can call and speak to me right here in studio today, and that's 718-325-5555. Again, it's 718-325-5555, and ask for Eddie Albert. I'll be here for a little while, and I'll personally look at all your situations, and I will get back to you today with an answer and telling you how much money you will save each and every month.
That's right, folks. So call Eddie Albert right now in the studios at 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Make that phone call right now and give Eddie Albert a call right now. Past credit problems are understood as usual. All right, so make sure you make the right decision, the only decision. We say, yeah, shop around and check out the rates with the other bankers, but none of them will come close or come near or even touch First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So give Eddie Albert a call right now, the All-Star, at 718-325-5555. Consolidate some bills, take some cash out. Now, Eddie, we always say lock in the interest rate, lock in the interest rate, lock it in while it's low. And everyone understand, some may not understand. But the whole refinancing bit over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers and the whole refinancing game that's going on right now worldwide, why should folks refinance their existing home right now? Let's break down the facts and give them all the pointers why refinancing their home is so important for them.
The true benefit right now is, honestly, you're able to lock in a rate. We lock in all our loans at First Republic at application. Mm-hmm. We don't gamble on people's livelihoods, their jobs, their mortgage payments. The borrower is ultimately responsible for paying the mortgage. And we want to tell somebody up front, the first day they meet with a loan officer, you're going to know the exact payment at the closing. And the benefit of doing it now is the lowest rates in history. So that you're going to benefit by saving a lot of money each and every month. And we have the best service in the industry. And I guess I'm partial. I'm the senior loan rep. I've seen this company grow from day one. I've been with Scott Siskin for 15 years now, and there's been thousands and thousands of borrowers that have walked in and out of that bank and happy. And you've all heard the success stories. We could put success stories on every hour of this show, and we would, we would never run out of people. And that's why the business has grown. You say, well, why is First Republic so successful when there's so much negativity out there? Simply by doing the right thing for the borrowers. And you know what? Good things get heard of. If you're comfortable with a situation and you like a product or a service, I know myself, I tell all my family members and friends, hey, use this guy, go there to get a car, whatever it is. The appliances go here, furniture go there, and that's the way the mortgage banking should work. But, I'm proud to say that we live by our word, and that's why we get hundreds of referrals, and maybe not everybody's playing by those rules, but I can only speak for First Republic. I think if you deal with us at First Republic, you're going to be a very happy, satisfied customer, and you're going to know up front, there's no games being played. We're not a broker. We're not a middleman. We are direct lenders. We are lending our own money. So you can rest assured that we're going to be responsible and we're going to give you every common courtesy that's available out there in the industry. So you should feel very comfortable sitting with any loan officer at First Republic. And if you have any questions about the service, you can call me directly at the bank at 718-380-0006, extension 330. But today I'm in studio with Sean, enjoying the beautiful day out there, not too cold.
Oh, yeah.
Getting ready for the Super Bowl.
Oh, yeah, weekend.
All right, so, but, I'll be in there Saturday and Sunday, at least in the morning. I'll be watching the game in the afternoon.
In the afternoon, right?
But if you want to save some money and really make it a great Super Bowl weekend, call now.
718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Eddie, gonna let you go and grab some phone lines right now. A lot of folks out there are looking to refinance right now and lock in that low interest rate. If you're not looking to refinance right now, maybe you're looking to purchase. Maybe you need a loan. We'll give Eddie a call. He does that also. 718-325-5555. 5555. That's 718-325-5555. Make that phone call right now and link up with Eddie Albert, the all-star in the building for all your purchasing and all your refinancing needs. Give him a ring.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.